Another complex pattern of inheritance is multiple alleles. This one, you saw a video with the Amoeba sisters. It was really good, but I just want to take a little bit of time with it again because it's something you need to understand within your lifetime just about yourself. So you have 3 alleles here. You have the A allele. Sometimes we represent the A allele with just plain A, but sometimes we see it with a capital I and a capital A superscript. Either way, that's the A allele. Then there's the B allele, which sometimes is represented with just a B, capital B, or we see it as a capital I with a capital B subscript. And then there's the O allele, which is represented either as an O or a small I. Now, the similarities here are that if you have a capital letter, then that is going to be dominant to the small letter. So if you look right here, you have a capital I and a little I, and there's a capital A here. So this person, if you get this blood type with a capital A and a capital I and a little I, this is dominant over the small letter. So this person is going to have a type A blood. Now, if you have a capital I and a capital B and a small I, again, this is dominant over the small I allele, so this is going to be a type B blood. So that part is normal in what compared to what we've been doing. But then here's the part that is not completely normal. When you have a capital I with a capital A and a capital I with a capital B, these don't dominate over each other. This is the blood type AB. So you can have 4 blood types. You can have the A blood type. So this one right here with capital I and a capital A, capital I, capital A, that's a type A. This one right here is going to be a type A. You can have an AB blood type that we just looked at. So if you have one capital I with a capital A and a capital I with capital B, that's a type AB. You can have a B blood type, which would be 2 capital B's, or this situation here where you have a capital B and a small I, that would be a B blood type. And the only situation where you can have an O blood type are these 2 little I's right here. So what the Amoeba sisters were talking about, the O type can donate to anybody. So we're going to call that a universal donor. So if you're a type O blood type, the Red Cross is probably happy to see you walk in the door because you have these little recessive alleles here that do not have the antigens. They don't have the A antigens. They don't have the type B antigens on top of those little red blood cell surfaces. And so they can go into anybody's bloodstream and not be clotted up or attacked. Now, if you have an AB type of blood, then you're a universal acceptor. You're in a pretty good situation where you can take anybody's blood because you can take a type A because you've got a type AB person has an A allele, so you can take from A. You can take type B blood because they have a B allele, and you can also take type O blood because they've got the little recessive alleles without the antigens on the blood surface. So a type A person can take type A blood or O blood. A type B person can take the type B blood, or it can take the type O blood. But if you're an AB You can take it from anywhere. You're a universal recipient. If you're a type O, you are a universal donor. You can give it to anybody.